Having trouble seeing your Tesco Clubcard challenge points? You're not alone. The most common reasons are sync issues, region mismatches, or account problems. Let's tackle sync first. Make sure your Tesco app, version 4.8.1 or later, has a stable internet connection and background app refresh enabled. Force close the app, clear its cache, and check for updates in your app store. Tesco's Smart Sync feature, introduced in Q2 2025, automatically refreshes your points every 15 minutes when the app is active, reducing sync issues. If a simple refresh doesn't work, logging out and back into the app often resolves the problem by re-establishing the connection with Tesco's servers. Also, ensure you are not using a VPN. If syncing isn't the issue, check for regional restrictions, especially if you're near a border or shopping in a different region than your account's registered address. Some challenges are region-specific. If you suspect a regional issue, contact Tesco support. Account mismatches are another common culprit. Verify that your Clubcard is correctly linked to your Tesco account using the same email and phone number. If you've recently reinstalled the app, merged accounts, like after the Booker Group integration, or use multiple devices, this is especially important. Use Tesco's account checker tool in the app to confirm your account details. As a last resort, contact Tesco's helpline with your transaction receipts for manual points crediting. Remember that as of October 2025, Tesco is actively improving its systems with AI-driven troubleshooting, but these manual checks might still be necessary.